Our next mammal is quite popular amongst small people. In fact, so popular are these small ones that they find a mention in one of our most important scriptures, the Ramayana. Today, they live in close proximity to us and are amongst India's most abundant small mammals. We are talking about the three striped squirrels. They are one of the most visible wildlife in our urban and suburban settings and are a vital part of the ecosystem they inhabit. Their overall quirkiness and occasional tendencies for mischief is often what makes them one of the most adorable animals. Belonging to the family of Sciuridae, the three-striped squirrel is naturally found in India and Sri Lanka. Be it forests, gardens, parks, or even amidst human dwellings, these creatures seem to be comfortable. These squirrels can frequently be seen chasing one another on the branches of various trees. Commonly known as the Indian palm squirrel, they can be easily recognized once spotted. They have a bushy tail which is slightly shorter than its body. The back is a grey-brown color with three conspicuous white stripes that runs from head to tail. The young squirrels have significantly lighter coloration, which gradually gets darker as they age. These squirrels have four front teeth that never stop growing. Mating season of Indian palm squirrels take place all year round. Female squirrels typically give birth to 2 to 8 offsprings after a gestation period of around 30 days. Indian palm squirrel is active during the day. Being omnivorous, the Indian palm squirrel's diet mostly depends on fruits and nuts, but it's also been known to consume eggs, small birds, larvae, and insects. Having obtained something edible, it often sits on its haunches and uses its forelegs to manage its food. As cute as they may look, the Indian palm squirrel are seriously misunderstood creatures. These squirrels are always seen dragging around nuts or frantically trying to bury them. However, it turns out that they don't always dig up the edible treasures after stashing them. In fact, these forgotten nuts often grow into trees, hence playing a huge role in conserving our ecosystem.